Command Center helps us train more efficiently by giving us a tool to help monitor the training content that Skill Mill provides. And we have a full-time facilities trainer who utilizes this tool to be able to effectively schedule, set up training paths, and to monitor the performance of our staff in the system. My favorite feature of Command Center is the custom learning path. So we have several learning paths that we are creating. And first is we create a learning path for new hires for onboarding them to our properties. And second, we have so many different style of properties, from mid-rise to high-rise to garden style. So we were able to create learning paths specifically for each one of our property styles. So that is one of my favorite features of it, because it allows us to kind of hone in the training for our specific needs throughout our portfolios. The cost that we're cutting with Command Center is because we're able to kind of drill in the training and allow for us to effectively schedule it, monitor it, and make sure that our staff is getting the training. It is then allowing them to be able to tighten up their skills for us to be able to effectively get repairs done in a timely manner. And also it allows us to be able to reduce the amount of contractors that we would rely on, because we're strengthening our workforce in their skills. So we are less likely to call in a contractor to make a repair, because we're building our skills of our in-house team.